Welcome. In today's session, we are going to create a local repository on Red Hat Enterprise Linux Server 7.6 so that we do not have to go to the internet to get the updates. This scenario is particularly useful when your server is not allowed the internet access due to security reasons and the segment your server is present in the data center is a place where internet is either not available altogether or it requires additional permissions from the IT governance department or whoever is the concerned authority for allowing the internet access. So very quickly, I will first type the command to make a directory. This directory is called ISO. This directory is going to be the home for Red Hat ISO image files. Those will be used as a source of that repository. I will use this command to mount the CD-ROM into mnt/iso folder. Okay, as you can see, CD-ROM is mounted. Now I will type this command to create a local repository. This repository's name is local.repo, and you can see the file location. This is /etc yum.repos.d. Okay, now I will use this command yum install create repo, and after that I will give the path for repository. All right, I will click yes, and it is completed. To verify, I will run this command yum repo list, and it is, as you can see here, it gives me the repo name local. So this is the whole process to create a local repository. Thanks for watching.